Let's look at prime factors. Prime factors, we are talking about numbers that are divided by two numbers only. The two numbers are itself and 1. In other words, if I identify a number that can be divided by two numbers only, 1 and itself, that number qualifies to be called a prime number or prime factor. And our question says, write down the prime factors of the following. And I've chosen number 1 with the number 12, right? So we are to write prime factors of 12. But first and foremost, before we write prime factors of 12, let's list down the factors of 12 first. Factors of 12 are numbers that can get into 12 without leaving a remainder. And I'll write down the numbers that I know. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, right? But from these factors now, we're supposed to pick prime numbers, right? And the prime numbers are these 2 and these 3 only. These are the numbers that are divided by two numbers only, itself and 1. So finally, my answer that I'm going to write down are prime factors of 12 are 2 and 3. This is the answer, right? Take note. First of all, you write down the factors, and then secondly, from those factors, you write prime numbers that you pick. Let's look at number 3. We have to write down the factors of 20, and then from the factors of 20, we pick prime factors of 20. What are the factors of 20? Numbers that can go into 20 without leaving a remainder are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20, right? Since we've written all the factors of 20, it's now easy for us to write prime factors of 20, because we will pick the prime numbers from these factors. From these factors, which ones qualify to be picked as prime numbers? Here are the prime numbers. We have these 2, we have this 5. We can't pick 10 because 10 is divided by more than two numbers. We can't pick 4 for the same reason. We can't pick 20 for the same reason. And we can't pick 1 because 1 is only divided by one factor, which is itself only. So our factors of 20 are given, and from those factors we have prime factors 2 and 5. So prime factors of 20 are 2 and 5. This is the answer. So a brief recap: whenever you are asked to write down the prime factors of a given number, the first thing that you should do, list down all the factors of that number first. And then secondly, from those factors, pick prime numbers. You will be done. That will be the answer. Thank you very much. Can you work out the other remaining numbers on your own? That is number 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, following the teacher's example. Thank you very much.